Here's the real reason the Jordan 1 washed heritage is sitting everywhere. Today we're going to discuss why these are sitting on pretty much every website and why this might be the best time to buy Jordan 1s. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other type of content you would like to see. This one actually shocked me. I didn't expect them to sit the way that they're sitting. I thought bare minimum they would sell out or some sizes would sell out, but they're sitting in damn near every size. If you look on the internet, you could even buy these on JD with $10 off, bro, for $170, which is insane. A couple years back, this sneaker would have been selling for some good money, so it kind of threw me for a loop, bro. I had high hopes for these, and it pretty much reassured me that Jordan 1s are dead, at least as far as resale goes. For most of us sneakerheads, it's a plus, because if you want these sneakers, you could deadass pick them up right now. Just look up Jordan 1 washed heritage on Google, bruh, and it'll pop up on multiple websites in whatever size you need. I guess that's a beautiful thing, because back in the day, maybe 2 to 3 years ago, these would have sold out and they would have been reselling for at least $250 to $300. I feel like it's not even a bad thing, bro. Like, this is a beautiful Jordan 1 that you could wear with so many different outfits. I truly believe down the line when Jordan 1s are back and people stop bashing this sneaker, these are gonna go up. It's one of those colorways that it's undeniable, bro. You can wear this throughout the year with a bunch of different styles of outfits and shit like that, so it's gonna be worth buying. I definitely say if you're looking to buy these, buy them sooner than later. At a certain point, sizes are gonna start dwindling down, you feel me? People are gonna start going to the malls, looking at these on the shelf like, damn, bro, why are people sleeping on these? I'm gonna pick them up. Then it'll be too late for you to get them. This sneaker is definitely worth picking up for retail. On GOAT and StockX, they're pretty much going for around retail, but obviously you gotta pay those extra fees and shit on StockX, so it'll bring the price up to like $200. Skip on that, you feel me? Literally go buy them from the retailers because they still got them. It's just crazy to see that we're in a whole different realm as far as sneakers go nowadays. If it's not a hyped ass collab or a really good colorway on a Jordan 4, chances are it's not gonna resell. That's kind of a good thing, bro. Like, even Thunder 4s are doing nothing right now. Like, they're damn near going for around retail. That shit wouldn't have happened 2018, 2019, 2020, bro, when people had them stimmy checks. Like, that just was unheard of. So I love where we're at in sneakers right now. As y'all see, I'm a collector before anything else. I don't really resell shit unless it's a pair of sneakers that I just can't see myself wearing, which obviously we need to sell what we not wearing. I guess I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all letting you know that if this is a sneaker you wanted, don't sleep. At a certain point they will sell out. I still feel like you have a couple weeks before these completely sell out, and then you gotta pay those fees on StockX or whatever. So if you're considering picking these up for retail, I would say grab them, bro. You definitely won't be disappointed with this pair. It's clean. I would still say this is top 5 Jordan 1 of the year. We still got the Palominos, which I low-key dropped an early look on. Check this video out. I'm gonna put it in the card. Full review coming soon for those. That's definitely top 3. And we got the Union 1s, which a lot of people been hating on. I low-key might need those, bro. They're growing on me. But yeah, man, let me know if this is a pair you're still after. Are you gonna go to the mall and pick them up? Are you gonna pick them up online? Are y'all sleeping on these? I know a lot of people have priorities and shit, which I completely understand. I'm definitely gonna make a full video on the whole sneaker market situation right now. I feel like it's kind of volatile, but at the same time, it's a perfect world for actual sneakerheads not looking to make $30, $40 on a pair and just want to wear their sneakers. We're in a good time for sneakers, but I will discuss that in a full video. If y'all want to see the top 10 Jordan 1s you could pick up for under $200, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna compile a little list of the best options out there. If you are trying to see that, leave a like on this video, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. And I just wanted to drop a little video for y'all today, nothing too crazy. I just felt like I had to talk about it. Probably should have done it sooner, but the fact that these are still sitting a week later is kind of crazy, bro. Washed heritage black Jordan 1s, you can still pick them up for retail. It's insane in my opinion, but if y'all want these, y'all already know, bro, don't sleep. I feel like this is probably most wearable Jordan 1 we're getting this year. That's just me though. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Comment top 10 cheap Jordan 1s in the comments if you want to see that video. Make sure you watch this video right here where I took an early look at possibly the Jordan 1 of the year. I also did rank some upcoming Jordan 1 releases, so if y'all trying to check that out, make sure you click this video right here. And also, if you're a pappy, happy pappy day. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.